Welcome back. We're excited to expand our coverage for the legendary HEMI platform. We've got an all-new TVS2650 Supercharger for the Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. Our first HEMI kit was released about 5 years ago for the DS Ram 1500. That kit with just 5 PSI made around 450 horsepower at the hubs. We followed this up a couple of years later with the DT Ram 1500 with the same 5.7 engine and also the e-torque model. With the same 5 PSI, we see 480 horsepower at the hubs on that model. Here we have the Jeep SRT. It's built on the 4th gen Grand Cherokee platform, initially released in 2012 and available for nearly 10 years, all the way through to 2021. Featuring the 6.4 HEMI, it's a 392 cubic inch naturally aspirated Gen 3 V8 that's commonly found in the SRT and Scat Pack Chrysler, Dodge and Jeep models. Popular as an engine swap, we first worked with the 6.4 HEMI a couple of years ago with our mates at High Torque Performance and Patriot, who built a beefed up JT Gladiator which debuted our TVS2650 engine kit, and with a little cam, the 6.4 put down around 550 horsepower on the mainline Pro Hub. For the Jeep platform, we've engineered a vehicle specific kit featuring our TVS2650 Supercharger with TVS technology on top and a left-hand inlet to suit the Jeep factory airbox location. We supply replacement high-flow Bosch 650cc injectors, plug-in wiring looms for all the necessary engine sensors, IAT breakout from MAF sensor, throttle loom extension and intercooler pump loom. We've got a front mount low temp radiator intercooler up front, an electric intercooler pump, coolant reservoir, moulded hoses, PCV system supported. We interface with the OE throttle body, the front drive and the factory airbox with a clean air tube supplied. And we retain all factory ancillaries including AC, engine fan, power steering. Like all of our products, our manufacturing and engineering teams have produced a premium product to deliver OE levels of quality and integration. This great example has been our development vehicle. It's a 2017 model and already had some nice mods. These included a little 221/227 cam package with 1 7/8" headers and a 3-inch custom exhaust. On our hub dyno, we ran it up for a baseline and it made a healthy 430 horsepower and 437 foot-pounds of torque. We've done a lot of testing and the performance is what everyone is here for. With the hardware all fitted up and starting with a 90mm top pulley, we're using HP tuners for calibration, and with 6 PSI, we saw between 500 and 520 horsepower on our 4-wheel hub dyno. We followed this up with some support from local HEMI specialist Dontex Performance, who looked after the tune-up on Chris's Jeep. With an 80mm pulley that we're running now, we measure peak boost of around 10 PSI and the power jumps up to 570 to 580 horsepower on multiple dynos. Definitely great performance for a stock bottom end and great drivability through that awesome 8 HP transmission. You can learn more about our HEMI Superchargers on both our Aussie and US websites and our great global dealer network. Thanks for watching, we'll catch you next time.